Domestic violence cases often start with a simple phone call in a heated argument. People are motivated to pick up the phone based on some sort of conflict or struggle. Maybe something happened, maybe something didn't happen that justified that phone call. But that starts a process that ends up with a criminal case in court, and the person that made the phone call loses control. The prosecutor's office takes over, and the person who made the phone call no longer has a decision. They no longer have power to pull the case back and stop it. They are a mere witness. Getting involved early in a domestic violence case is extremely important. The first thing that comes at a family is the government moves in and breaks up the family and issues a no contact order. And often no one in the family wants that order to be imposed, but the judges and the prosecutors will impose that order without listening to the family. When that order is issued, the consequences are extreme. People cannot return to their home. They can't see their kids. They can't get their work clothes and their computer. They don't have access to their life. And that affects obviously their family life. That affects their ability to do their daily routine. It affects their ability to go to work. They have to figure out how to get into the house without violating the court order, to get their clothes, to get their computer, to get their things so that they can continue to function and be a supportive family person, but not have contact with that family. Domestic violence impacts the entire family because the presumption of the court system and the prosecution system is to separate everyone, when in fact often what needs to happen is people need to come together to figure out why there's so much conflict and how they want to deal with it as a family. Often a criminal domestic violence case will impact a civil family law case because it helps the family law case. When there's a struggle over custody of kids or finances, if one side is charged with a domestic violence crime, it will help them in the other arena. The criminal allegation has to be dealt with first.